I will do it. Don't tempt me with a good time.
It looks like they want to kill this range, or at least half. The half we have the weekly level. It's nice. You see the price action. You see the price action, guys. This is the kind of price action I like to see. They come inside the range.
Oh, we're dipping.
Chain of character here. And like a small push. Oh man. Why are you playing this range right now like that?
Yeah, they're dumping us. Holy crap.
Yep.
We gonna catch a pre-market trade?
Nah, it was about. it was already too late. It's okay. We have another ranges to complete. We didn't take the trade, but we are getting the knowledge.
All right.
It's a winning.
Yep, if you're seeing this, you are on the right side of TikTok. What's good, bro?
You see, guys, that price action in here on this level, the beginning of the range.
And what's up, YouTube, as well? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hey, headed to Denver, watching from Manhattan, Kansas today. Nice. That's what's up. What's up, Cole? Good morning, bro. What's good?
This is what we want. This is the kind of price action we like to see when they are coming inside the ranges. Strong break. Change of character here. You can see here.
What's up? God bless, bro. Have a great teaching day, great teaching and trading day. Every day is a learning day. Teaching, trading, both here, technically speaking. I hope they're both good. I hope they're both fantastic. I woke up early today. Woke up like 4:50, 10 minutes before my usual 5. We're feeling good. Ready to win. Ready to get this party started today. What's my bias for today? Well, we're dumping pre-market, so you know, Hey, you're here early too, Jonathan. What's good?
Especially the weekly level with the orange line. So 778, the beginning of the range, and 78 points, almost 100 points. You see, half of the range is almost 100 points. This is what I call good enough for trade. Good enough for trade. 70, 50, 60 points on NQ, you know, it's a lot of money. So.
You watching for a trade right now?
No.
No?
I'm gonna wait for the opening.
Gonna wait for market to open.
I know people took this trade. People are getting...
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I mean, I'm watching it too for sure.
Man.
That's quite a dump.
You see how the ranges work, guys? Look at the half right now. This is learning in real time. This is learning in real time. We make money, we are learning.
Wonder when they'll find some support for us. We're not quite at pre-market low. We're still a ways away from it, actually.
You go, guys, half. If you took this trade, you're half already at the range, so protect the position.
Yeah, what a dump.
Nice dump. Really nice. You see what happened at the opening? Oh man, I think they're gonna continue going down. Look at this guy. Look at this confluence. The end of the range.
Damn, we're breaking down 700 now. That's crazy.
The end of this range is matching with the London low. So maybe they want to sweep it, huh? I'm going to continue going down to sweep that low there. 629, London low, 629, end of the range.
Technically speaking, this would be a candle that I'd look for shorts as we pop in. I just don't really trade pre-market. I don't personally.
So you wait for the going half of that candle, right?
Yep. Yeah, just like moving up into the red candle and shorting with stops above the high of it. Shorting above the high of it, or shorting it with stops above the high. Yep, it's a good morning, everybody, to choose DOD. To choose discipline over dopamine. You're getting a coffee? All right, go get yourself a coffee. Come back all caffeinated and ready to win.
Yes.
Come back all sorts of caffeinated and ready to make some money.
Yes, sir. Any question about the ranges, guys, before I get a coffee? Questions? Everybody clear?
And I see a lot of y'all coming in ready to rock with DOD. Y'all already bright and early in the morning. I see you. It might be early, but that does not mean you got to be dragging. Not up in here. You need a burst of energy. You need some natural caffeine, some natural dopamine. I got you. I'm your guy. I'm your guy. I will get you taken care of. So I typically would watch for like a pop into this candle high with shorts above the, or with stops above the high. But I'm going to wait till market opens I'm going to follow my normal plan today. We got some crazy news or some sort of setup we couldn't resist. I may take it pre-market, but I'm not in a rush to take anything personally. Yep, today marks the longest government shutdown ever. Officially the longest shutdown ever. Goes to show that, above all else, no government's coming to save you. The best thing that you can do for yourself is learn skills, get your money up, and rely on no one but your own self. Yep, good. No one's going to save you. No one is going to save you. You can save you. That person in the mirror can save you. Nobody else, though. And that's a fact. DOD can save you. DOD can for sure save you. Looking for shorts today. I'm not entirely sure. It'll depend what we look like in the first 15 minutes. I mean, we look at our higher time frames. Like the hourly, we're kind of mixed. A series of higher lows. We have a series of higher lows. I'm going to clear this off. And lower highs. So for me, if we break and hold above this like 800 and build a base, we might be able to see this trend break out to the upside. Vice versa, we break down this like 600-ish. We could see us break out to the downside. Yeah, the only person coming to save you is Grandma with her daily signals with Team Bull. Boy, safe and sound. So we'll stay patient. We'll just wait. I've seen more and more y'all getting your payouts, making progress in your trading. Going on inside out. What the heck? Why did that do that? As a reminder, guys, if you are trading with prop firms today, make sure you tap in and hit that follow button. And also make sure you guys use code Jdun with Apex, Tradeify, Funded Next, or Alpha Futures. Make sure y'all use code Jdun and get yourself the best discount and payout protection. I always got your back, and I will always do my best to help you get funded and paid. Let's get this all done. Okay, got that. $200. 5. Two, 3, and 4. There we go. All right. I do appreciate it. I appreciate all y'all coming in and tuning into all the lives. It means more to me than you know. I genuinely never take it for granted. Or like when I see y'all message me on Instagram, I had someone message me yesterday. Said, "Yo, Jdun, I don't know if you'll ever see this, but I just want you to know that you're awesome, man. Ever since I started watching you a few months ago and implemented DOD into my life, I feel like a new person. Not even just in trading because I'm still in the paper trading phase, but in my whole life because you've inspired me to be a better person every day. Just want you to know that you're an inspiration and it's obvious why you're successful." That shit's dope. I appreciate all y'all sending those messages and rocking every single day. It genuinely means a lot. I want you to come into this live every morning and say, I'm going to be better today. I'm going to be more disciplined today. I'm going to follow my rules today. Are we crashing today? I mean, maybe. It's possible. Does being profitable mean your P&L is just positive, or what does that truly mean? I mean, that's honestly a fair question. I always tell people you don't just become profitable and stay there, right? Profitability to me is when you can have consistent year-to-date green, and you're coming in every day trading with a system and having bigger wins and smaller losses. You don't just automatically get to a point where trading gets easy and everything gets perfect and you're just profitable forever, right? You can be profitable for 6 months and blow it all up in one day. That's what I want you to remember. Can we automate day trading so we don't have to sit in front of the computer every day? I mean, it's possible, but most of those systems aren't very good right now. Unless you have proprietary software you're selling to Wall Street. Hey, did any of you guys go try out Vanquish, the new options trading prop firm? Well, they're not new, but my new partnership. If you trade options or futures, or not futures, excuse me, options or stocks, Vanquish can be a very good option for you. I did. I'm trading with them for the first time. Wish me luck. Good job, Desiree. Let me know how it goes. Appreciate your support. Let me know when you get your first payout. It's also worth noting that Alpha Futures just dropped 20% off today, too. They are 20% off. Can I start trading options? You want me to give you an options winner today? Do you guys need an options winner today? Don't get it twisted. I'll do it. Bro said, please. Yeah, Tesla is voting on Elon Musk's $1 trillion compensation package today as well. So that'll be worth watching for Tesla. And also worth knowing, too, in terms of potential news.
Let's do it, guys. Let's do it.
I'm going to keep it a buck with y'all. I'm really trying to get like a 30-minute workday today. 1 hour workday. It's not mandatory, but I would really like to make some money in the first 30 minutes, 1 hour today. Can we make that happen? Can we make that happen, everybody? You guys on board with that? Any book you recommend for me to learn? I think price action is the best way to learn. Joining Team Bull is actually the best way to learn. What's up, Grizzy Glock? Good morning, bro. I'm all coffeeed up, too. I should make sure my door is unlocked for Gene. One moment. It was not unlocked, so Gene would have been SOL when he got here. When he gets here in 3 hours. When he gets here 2 hours late. Can we get Gene a door code, for God's sakes, right? Where am I at? I'm in Colorado. Go as you like that. So I have an office, but I'm currently in my house. Yep, I do both. I'll have students come to the office and trade, but I'm at my house today. I will be trading at the office tomorrow, though. What am I doing for the game tonight? Probably nothing. Probably just working. I have a lot of stuff to do. Lots of back-end stuff for my other businesses and Team Bowl and just learning. I stay learning a lot too. I've been diving deep into AI. I just bought this. I mean, I buy a lot of education, but I just bought this $10,000 AI course too that I've been grinding on and becoming an AI wizard. I'm really trying to build build some solid tools for trading and non-trading using AI. It's either you learn or you get left behind. I mean, look at the .com bubble. I am still flipping houses. We just have been slower. Real estate market's been real slow. Any suggestions on how to manage day one payout prop firm? Should I take payouts ASAP or build a buffer? I mean, I'm always for as many payouts as you can get. I always recommend taking the payout, personally. Do you have a TPT code? I actually did just get a TPT code as well. If you guys are trading with Take Profit Trader, you can use code TBT, all capitals. I'm not really going to promote it too much, but if you are on Take Profit and you want support from Team Bull and payout protection, you can use code TBT. Oh, I am showing NQ twice. It's because I love it so much.
What are we looking for, Team Bull? What's our watch today? What are we watching?
Going down between 6 to 9. 5, 6 to 9.
I'm watching 25,600 for possible balance.
All right, so we take shorts down to there? Is that what you're saying?
I don't know.
What you're telling me is a full port shorts off the open.
Maybe. Possible. Okay, go up a little bit. Then, because right now the main level at this point is 694. It's where they are right now. It's the middle of this range, but we're breaking it now.
Looks like a Friday for some reason. Good morning.
Good morning, dog. I don't really have a lot of dividend stocks, no. I did. I took 3 trades yesterday. One a small loser, really, really small, and then the other 2 were winners. What do you say, bro?
I said I'm going to open OPEN swing, and they report earnings after close today.
I enjoy these live streams. I show up for the accountability, and it's been helping. Thank you, Team Bull. I appreciate you, Astral. Appreciate all y'all coming in, tapping in, hitting that follow button. If you're on TikTok, it's in the top left corner. Hit that follow. If you're on YouTube, make sure you guys press where that bell is. Keep your notifications on. Press the bell, and then press all. I appreciate y'all subscribing, hitting that thumbs up, like. What are we at? We got 500 people in here, and we're at 50 likes. Let's get that up to 100, guys. If you're choosing DOD today, tap in and make sure y'all get that thumbs up pressed, baby. Let's go. My chart is not 30 minutes behind. If you're an absolute beginner, I recommend checking out my YouTube, Jdun Trades. I'm also live there right now. Full screen share. Thanks, Gene. What's up, Sleeping Beauty? Guys, Sleeping Beauty's here. Yeah, it's Brandon's birthday today. I know. Yep. It's Brandon's birthday today.
So coming approaching to the end of this range, 6 to 9, which is London low to. When this.
When I ran. All right, let's see here. Oh, Grizzly. We might end up getting that 600 earlier than we thought. Might get it a little earlier than we thought. Yeah, Gene was working hard in the night shift. That he was. Yeah, it's Brandon's birthday today. Make sure y'all tell Brandon happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. Brando Commando. Happy birthday. As a reminder, Team Bowl, I have some DMs to check. Today's your final chance. If you'd like to come trade live with me in person tomorrow when you're in Colorado, send me that DM. You're in Discord. You will get first priority if you haven't been before. If you have been before, you are welcome, but if spots fill, you won't be first priority. Yep, I will. The best place to DM me is on IG. That's the best place that I answer DMs. If you guys have any questions or you just want to say hi, Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades on IG. That's the best place for sure.
Crazy bounce.
Let's see. Let's see what we get. How's your morning been, Gene? Good. You trading this morning? Have you taken any trades yet? All right, let's see what they give us, guys. DOD. Discipline over dopamine. Team DOD. He's getting after it today. Just gonna stay patient, wait for my A+ setup, and when it comes, gonna attack like a lion. You're in the longs?
Yeah.
Greg in the longs. Greg in the longs. 640. I'm in no trades, but Greg did try the longs. I'm waiting for the first 15 minutes.
Stop loss is 20.
His stop loss is 20. Tell your bots to stop texting me. I don't like the bots either. We'll see. I'm not in anything yet. I'm just staying patient, waiting. Again, my philosophy. Greg's trimming up here. My philosophy with trading is simple. I like getting base hits consistently, keeping my stress low, and focusing on DOD every day. Nice so far, like 20 plus points for Greg. He trimmed up here, guys, and if you're trading with Greg, he did trim. Just so you're aware.
I hope you guys know why I took the trade, right? I took the trade because what's the end of the 4-hour range, price action bounce. Yep. Let's see if we get a big trade or small trade. It's already a green trade, guys. So a green trade. Let's see if we're going to play this 4-hour range twice. They already played the range down. Let's see if we're going to play it up. Stop loss and break even. Protect the position.
Let's see what they give us. You say you stopped. Oops. You said you stopped out. The rest break even?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Nice. What are you watching for, Grizzly Glock?
Looking for a little lower here, see what we do. We close this candle. We close the previous candle below from control.
Christy India.
Right at it, basically.
Yeah, see, I'm gonna pump. We're playing with this 4-hour level a lot.
Benson in the end, no.
I have 629 and 615. Okay, let's see.
Tell that man Brando Commando. Happy birthday too. Way back from the nothing, cause she. Yep, 18 months. 18 months of no alcohol yesterday. That felt great. All right, let's see what they give us here. Whole psych number 600. If you didn't know, now you know. I personally don't buy bounces on the move down. I wait for the move back up. So we'll see. Do I vape? Do I vape? Do I vape? Hell no. I don't drink. I don't smoke pot. I haven't touched nicotine in like 6 years. Like 6 years. What, 6 going on 7 years? Something like that. I don't vape. I don't smoke pot. I don't drink alcohol. I get my high from business and money and success and hard-earned dopamine and grinding in the gym. That's where my dopamine comes from. Tumbling on the streets, tumbling on the show. It's that stress it gonna be in.
Let's say I'm looking more for a for entry now than a loan. Let's see.
Yeah, me too.
Forgot to mark out our levels earlier.
And there's 6 to 9 is recover. So I know I flip the shorts.
Waiting. So we have pre-market low at 26 or 628. I'm waiting for some 5-minute confirmation. As a reminder, guys, I don't typically trade the first 15 minutes, so staying patient and waiting. Yesterday, my best trade, my 30-plus point trade, came 2 hours in. Sure, a lot of y'all had gotten off in Team Bull, but I stayed for the full 2 hours, and towards the end of the stream, we caught a really nice trade. Is there a reason the market dumped so hard? I mean, not necessarily. We'll see. We'll see if they give us a banger here. If you want a bit higher risk trade, something we can watch for, I'd rather see us move down first, but as a pop back up to like 630 for shorts with stops above like 650. You're betting on the pre-market low retest hitting and continuing to move down.
Anybody in a trade?
Nope. You looking for shorts on this pop up?
Yeah.
Me too.
My stop will have to be close back about 646, everyone, if I take this. 3 to 5 MNQ is all you need to trade on the fund.
I'm watching this too.
Could go either way for me here. This candle is very important.
Watching this level, 6 to 9.
I'm watching.
Probably they're coming inside the range now. What about 6 to 9.5 right now?
Trying to piece of shorts up here. Higher risk. Higher risk with 20 points to stop. Tried him up there. At 36, so 46, 56. My stops are at 56, 20 points. If you want a little less, you can put them at like 52, but I tried them with this 50% retracement and pre-market low. I'll take my 20-point stop if we go above that previous candle, and I'll look for a different entry. It's a little higher risk without this 5-minute confirmation, but was worth 20 points of risk to me. Oh. Hasn't stopped me yet. 56 is my hard stop. It's teetering. It's about to stop me, but it's not quite there yet. Just got stopped. Gosh dang it, guys. Sorry about that. Just got stopped on that 20 points, guys. 20 points. I'm out of that trade. I'm out of that trade for a 20-point loss, everybody. I got stopped out of that trade for a 20-point loss. I'll look for a different entry if we end up failing these levels again. But the risk reward is there for me with that retest of pre-market low and that 50% retracement. I'm not holding this any higher. I took my 20-point stop there. We got Tesla moving up. Let's see. We got Tesla moving up. We got AMD still down, which is surprising. What about NVIDIA? NVIDIA down too.
Are you in the trade?
No. I got stopped at 56. I tried it for 20 points of risk, and I got stopped out. Still open to it if we see some sort of reversal, but I'm not gonna personally sit there and test it over and over. We'll see what they give us. I was willing to put on 20 points there. If I can find 15, 20-point risk trades and follow my plan accordingly, then I will do so. So the alternative there was that you'd retest that 50% retracement, that pre-market low area that we're basically at the same spot. And if we would have gotten my price target, which would be low a day, it would have been like a 50-plus point trade. Calls from Team Bull have helped me pass a bunch of evals. Nice. Well, not that one, but I maintain a 70-80% win rate. So it is what it is, baby. Oh man, if they end up just pumping it and then dumping it. These people. 672. I'm tempted to try shorts again. Tempted to try shorts. All right, guys, one more. Gosh dang it. Oh my God. I like the shorts again, guys. A little more confirmation. I'm getting in the shorts one more time. I'll let you guys know when I enter. This is exactly what I wanted to see. This is literally exactly what I wanted to see to a T. Literally right here. This move we saw. I should have waited for that 5-minute close. You know, I think I learned my lesson again there. This is exactly what I wanted to see. My bias was right. My entry was early, and I Wow. Oh, that is frustrating.
You know what happened to me yesterday, right? I was waiting for a little bit to pop up and it just dumped on me.
Jdun. Choose DOD. Choose DOD, Jdun. Choose it. Choose it. Choose it. I'm so close to just nuking shorts. You actually have no idea. I literally wanted so bad to get back in right there. Literally, that's. I'm glad my bias was right, but. That just annoyed me. More than you can possibly understand. Oh, goodness gracious. Jdun, don't do it. Don't crash out on him. Don't crash out on the market. I fight that feeling by just not executing. Like it's annoying. There's a prime example of something that really bothers me. Like that's annoying. And back in the day, I would have just been nuking trades right off the rip, but now I just chill and wait. Huh. I guess if I don't know what I'm doing and I've made $4 million trading, then someone who does know what they're doing must be making like 40 million, huh? I'm ripping shorts next. Probably close this candle with all my might, with all I have. Cannot actually with all I have, but it does look really good if we pop back up into this zone with stops above like 651. Oh my gosh. Oh, goodness gracious.
My stop loss on this trade will be if we close back above that pre-market low, 25,629. I get in. I get a chance. Well, created a new point of control. Let's see.
All right, up here, 85 area. 85 was here. I like to see 600 ideally. Anywhere in here, I like for shorts.
25,584 area. I will try shorts if we get up there.
Yep, I'm with you too. I'm buying shorts or selling shorts up there. Buying shorts, bro.
I'm afraid we can't get back up there though. We've created that new point of control. I'm not sure if we can get it close back above it.
I literally was so close to calling that again, and just someone else was in law. Oh my gosh, I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed, but I'm choosing DOD and it's fine. Want to add the 9 EMA? I've used pretty much all the EMAs you could think of, and there's nothing wrong with EMAs. I just don't personally use them. Hey, don't worry about haters in the chat. There's a reason why they're watching me and I'm not watching them. You feel me? Losers focus on winners. Remember that. Winners focus on winning. Majority of people that come. Oh, all right. I got to step away for a second. Gene, come take over. I'm fucking pissed.
Guys, I'm at 2. That was fucking insane.
Like the 2.75. Watching this one.
Yeah. Small piece of it.
All right, I'm back. We're good. I had to take a lap, get some fresh air. I swear to you, I will rip 20 minis of shorts if we pop up.
No.
I'll fucking do it, bro. I'll do it, bro. On my live. I'll rip 20. I'll rip it. I'm feeling it today. Am I being bad, Gene? I'll rip 20 minis, bro. I got 1 million in this account.
Wow. That's revenge trading.
Don't you in front of you?
Unreal.
Price action right now.
I was literally about to call an entry and gosh damn it, dude. Like, why would bro go long? That literally made me so mad, dude. Like, literally, just the most frustrated I've been in a long time. What? Fuck yeah, I'm on stream.
Back here. Keep chasing.
I swear to you, I'll rip 30 fucking minis if we pop up. I don't care. I'll do it, bro. I'm about to get off. I'm about to end the stream, bro. I'm very upset, dude. Why would dude call? Why? Why would bro call long? Why? Why? Like, why would you do that when?
You know, Brandon goes on, but he did.
I'm just annoyed. I'm about to end the stream. Maybe I'll have Gene stream and I'll go for a walk. I just am so frustrated. Is what it is though. We'll find another banger. It's annoying. We'll find another banger. It's just very annoying. What the LAX? I swear to you guys, if we rip up to my spot, I will rip 30 minis of my live account. Maybe not 30, but I will go full size. But until then, we're going to... Dude! Unreal. Unreal, guys. Oh, I know. I did great. My bias was great. I just couldn't... I couldn't... I've been DOD and then I didn't make any more trades. I mean, if I wasn't DOD, I'd just be ripping shorts right now. I'd literally nuke shorts. I would have nuked shorts 50 points ago. But I'm waiting for another A+ setup. It's just annoying as hell. I mean, I'll typically trade like 5 minis or so in my live. But I mean, if I need to, I got million buying power. We can we can make some noise happen if need be.
You said 20 being here.
So yeah, I'll do it.
There's that little bit of demand that was 25,400. Nothing crazy. Maybe fire setting there on book map. Is anybody looking at book map? Anyone? Gotta love it. I mean, I know we missed our history, but you gotta love this processing. Good movement. Good continuation. That's what we want with our day trades. If you get the sniper entry, I just didn't see it. I think 5,400 does have some buyers, so interesting.
Let's see what else they give us today. Let's see what else they give us today. Oh, we're loaded up. I got the cannons loaded, baby. I got the cannons loaded. That was a 30-minute day I worked for or wanted, but no. Yeah. $10 points with 30 minis, right? Yeah, that was an A+ setup. That was great. Unreal.
Thank you,
Well-
guys. Thank you, guys.
What are you doing?
464.
Well, I'm glad you made money. Well, I don't want to say your name, but I'm glad you made money, bro. I follow your plan. Made my biggest payout ever. 1,200. Thanks. Let's go, baby.
It's at 43.
Well, I'm chilling. We're choosing DOD. I'm fine. Just annoyed. We're chill now. I was about to crash out for a second, but why are you trading longs, bro?
We're still on this trade. Took it because I was available with you for 1.5. We're still on the trade. Still on the trade.
I'm watching for right now. I mean, honestly, the only thing I can really see is some, I guess, some sort of reversal if we get way lower. If we get a pop back up into like this as price moves on, if we move back up into the zone up here, looking for another short with confirmation. Gosh, that 18 months of sobriety is really being tested, huh?
You still in your trade?
You looking for shorts, Grizzly?
Yeah, I'm looking for shorts. I'm watching the
Yeah,
close of the candle.
I am too.
So press for Greg first and get me a short.
Ever since implementing DOD in October, I've gotten 5.6K in payouts. That's amazing.
Stop out.
I'm taking shorts at the close of this candle for you, unless we just make new low day. I want the candle closed first. Make a lower day before that. Just have to figure out another entry.
No, we're chilling. I like shorts still. I like shorts too, bro. You cannot pass alpha in one day. It takes 2 days. Let's say from you can run, but you can't have forever. For me.
Take the risk on this trade either way. Because the top of that 5-minute candle is at 475 area.
And the half bank crooks.
475.
Staying patient, guys.
I'm trying some MQ shorts right now. I'm in. If we stop out, this might be a long trade for me. If you get it, it's going to retrace this wick and fall off. What's our entry? 442.
I'm still staying patient for an entry, guys.
I'm adding to my position right here. I'm going to keep my stop above this midline, 491. If we close above that, I'll be out.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
They stopped me.
I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I'm finding a banger today. I'm staying patient for it, but I'm gonna get it. Still just waiting.
It does stop me. It's the first loss live this week.
Took me off the phone.
5-minute close above 25,491. My stop. Okay, MNQ.
I forgot I'm not on a huge. Let's see. Spy's getting close to that 50%. 490.
I'm in shorts, shorts. Even Q shorts. My stop loss is basically above this 5-minute candle. Right here. Close above that.
Yeah, we need to call in grandma. We need to call in grandma.
Pretty heavy in this, guys. So. Pretty heavy in this trade.
Slow here, 411. 50.
I was about to get low today. First trend.
What's your average, Grizzly?
Average is in the 60s.
Oh, nice. It's good. Let it dump for you, baby. Let it die.
I'm going to go ahead and take half my size off to lower my risk in profits here because I'm a little heavier than I'd like to be in this trade. I'm take half my size off here. Getting a little risk off in profit. The ideal trim spot will be low though.
I like shorts too. Should we close this candle weak? Get a little pop up. If you didn't get an entry, I think that can be a good spot too.
You know your size is a little too heavy if you feel a little anxious doing the trade. So I just feel a little anxious. There we go.
There you go, Grizzly Glock.
That midline from the fair value gap worked. Top was right above that. If you haven't trimmed already, I would go ahead and take a few off here just to be safe.
Nice job, bro.
We have point of control setting right here at 25,417.
Nice job, my boy.
Appreciate it, man. That looks like another good short entry with this candle here.
No, volume's a little lower than I like, but it does look good.
Lower.
Got that low day. Nice job, bro.
Exactly what we wanted right there. Nice job, everyone. You know, that took 2 ads on that, but you know, we had a nice move down. Sometimes it's hard to get that perfect sniper entry, especially if they're not a big move down like that.
Nice job, bro. Good job.
For me. I didn't have no more to trim. I got out completely.
So 40, 90, 60. Oh, you killed that, bro. Nice job, my boy. I wish that candle was had a bit more volume to it. This push down. Doesn't quite have the volume I want to see. I still think shorts look decent, but it goes against my volume system.
Now we finally touched my demand off that push down. This candle here could confirm long entries. I'll let you all know.
No. Staying patient. No new trades for me yet, guys. Just watching this candle. Didn't see the volume I wanted in that previous reversal. Bias was great this morning. Just, yeah. Let's see. Let's see what they end up giving us. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here. We have had a very frustrating morning so far, at least for myself, but we chose DOD. Ended up trading smart, trading safe. We're still waiting. Make sure y'all hit that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live with an 80% plus win rate. I help thousands of people get payouts. Thousands of people become profitable. So make sure y'all tap in, hit that follow button. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you guys hit that like button. Nobody does it like Team Bull. Nobody does it like Jdun. I'll tell you all that much. No new trades for me yet. I'm still watching. I got a feeling I'm going to catch a banger. I'm just waiting. Just waiting. Staying patient.
What is this candle? I was looking for a long entry, but now it's nearly impossible to take it off this candle.
I know. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all using code JDUN when you trade with prop firms. Apex, Tradeify, Alpha Futures is 20% off. They're arguably the best deal right now, and funded next. Let's see here. Yep, we're trading. We're choosing discipline over dopamine. We're choosing DOD. If you're on TikTok as well, make sure you check out the YouTube. It's Jdun Trades. If you go to YouTube and type in Jdun Trades, I have full screen share up there. I also, tomorrow is Free Friday inside Team Bull. So if you're looking to trade live with us with no lag, get all of our premium benefits and more, make sure you send me a DM on IG and mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to Free Friday. It's the best place to be with us. There's no lag. You get full access to Zoom, full access to our community. Best place to be of all the streams. Oh, DOD's not haunting me. I'm just staying patient. It's fine. DOD saved me from chasing any stupid trades. I might have made money, but, you know.
It's the trade I was looking for, but I took the loss. Let's go back in. Matching 5-2, 5-3, 5-2 levels. Let's see what happened here.
I didn't listen to anyone going long. What are you talking about? I said I couldn't go short when someone else in chat was going long. I don't take signals from other people. I've been trading 9 years. I take my own trades. Like sometimes on occasion, if Grizzly likes a trade I like or something, I'll join along. But if something doesn't follow my system, I don't take it. We're almost at that 50% retracement for the day. That's at 550. It's hard to short inside this candle too. I challenge you, Carlos, to come back and choose DOD. Start with an eval and just take it easy, bro. I didn't friend request you as a fake account. I love you, but I won't friend request you. Spies at that 50% retracement for the day. Let's see what the NASDAQ ends up doing. Yep, is what it is. I got about 30 more minutes. 30 more minutes for me, guys. 30 more minutes. Make sure to keep choosing DOD. We're not forcing trades. We're going to trade smart, trade safe, stay patient. If a setup comes, we'll rip it. Based on the trend, I still like shorts. It's tough up here right now. We're at the 50% retracement for the day. We'll see how we react in the zone right here. If you're watching, screen share.
So we wait a trade.
No. Yeah, Gene kills it. What? In Asia? Yeah, Gene's been killing an Asia session. If you trade in the afternoon or evening, you got to be inside Team Bull. Got to be in Team Bull trading Asia with us. Yep, Jen will be trading Asia. Gene's trades Asia. Most days, Monday through Thursday. He won't be trading today because he's busy. He's going to a football game, but typically he'll be trading Asia as well. Or he did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's expensive. I mean, it's more expensive to leave money on the table trading. Team Bull is the cost of a cup of coffee every day. If we confirm this candle, I will try shorts. But we're a ways away from confirming the candle. So we hit that 50% retracement. My worry is that we have lower volume. Our sellers are less aggressive. We make a higher low and we continue up into the 15-minute low. That's my worry.
You ejecting off that previous day open there, that 25,545.
That's also our 50% retracement for the day from high to low. See, earlier I was very frustrated with that trade and how that played out and why I couldn't enter my second one. But now we're chill. You just got to let it just relax sometimes and not take any trades in that moment of frustration. 9 years later, it never goes away. You just learn how to manage it. And now we're chilling. We're vibing. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you're trading with prop firms, Apex is 70% off. They just extended it with $40 activation fees. Use code Jdun. That's who paid me $50,000. That's where I got my 50K payout. Got one with your code yesterday. I appreciate you, fam. Appreciate you using code Jdun and choosing DOD. It's a tough candle to short. Didn't get the volume confirmation that I wanted. $5.47, 37, 27, 17. We see a little more pop up into here. I'm open to the shorts. I'm not in love with it, but I'm open to trying some shorts. I'll let you guys know if I take it.
You got me calling the morning early again.
You killed it, Grizzly.
Nice trade. Today is all we need.
I don't blame you, bro.
I don't want to get back my profits. You know, I do like shorts in this area.
I do too.
I think we could try them. 5-minute close back off at 500.
Yep, that's what I'm watching too. I just want to see a bit more pop up first. But you out of here, bro?
Nice shortage for here. Yeah, I don't want to get back my profits. I've been doing better.
Keep your money.
Good trading this morning. We'll see in the morning.
Take care, man.
See you, Greg.
Take care, Grizzly.
Just not in love with the short setup still. It looks decent, but not incredible. All I'm watching for is shorts, though. I have no interest in longs. None. If we end up breaking above these key levels and building a base, then that can change. But at this very moment, I have no interest in longing this candle. None. This is what I wanted to see. And I'm not trying to take any trades out of system. We have 2 minutes till this candle closes too. We get higher volume on this. With this close down, I will try shorts next pop up. If we confirm this candle to the downside, I'll target low a day. I just hope we don't hit low a day in this candle. I'd love to see us just waver around here for the next minute. For the next minute, just waver here, get a pop up, try the shorts, keep stops above 515. And the trade will have more risk, but I think we can get a push down. Got 1 more minute on this candle. Nope, don't go down yet. 45 seconds left on this candle. $5.15, $5.85. 30 seconds left on this candle. $15 seconds left on this candle. All right, any sort of pop-up I'm looking for shorts. I want to see a pop-up to like even 70. Even 70, which carries a lot more risk. I don't think we're going to get it. I don't think they're going to give it to me. I don't think we're going to get a retest. I'm not going to short. I'm not going to chase this downside here. I want to. I really want to just try shorts down here real bad. And it looks like we're going to get low a day, but I'm going to follow my set system. I appreciate you for sure. I'm going to use my set system. I might miss this move to the downside. I think we do get low a day here, but I'd be ensuing a lot of risk if I entered down here. So I'm going to wait for the retest. If it means missing it, it means missing it. I can stomach that for sure. I mean, guys, there's a reason I made $4 million doing this. And I've survived 9 years. Like, I'm okay with missing a trade here and there. It's not like, there's all these coulda, woulda, shouldas. Fact of the matter is, you could and should have done a lot, right? I'm simple. But I've been trading for 9 years, and I'll be trading for the next 9 years because I choose DOD. We're probably going to hit this. We're hitting this low a day. If I miss this move, I don't care because I didn't get my retest. You know what I mean? Like, that's what y'all got to understand. If I see a setup like that, I can stomach not catching that because it doesn't fit my system. Like, what I got very frustrated with is when I couldn't enter my trade earlier on that second entry. That frustrates me. Makes me upset, per se. Too much risk on that close down there. I wanted some sort of retest. I was even willing to put on like 50 points of risk, right? I was even willing to put on a little more. But it just didn't give me any sort of retest. If I don't get the retest, I don't buy. I'm still open to a retest. If we close this candle deep and we retest up to that previous low a day, I'm still open to shorts. I just need some sort of confirmation in the retest. I don't buy the breakout to the downside. You also don't want to get caught trying to short the downside and then getting an aggressive pump, right? You don't want to get caught in that. You always want to have your risk defined. Let's see here. Come on. Send some buyers in. Send some late buyers in. Send some late buyers in. Oh my God. I can't believe I missed that first. My goodness. I can't believe that happened on that first one. So annoying. Oh, whoops. I don't think they're gonna give it to us either. But I won't chase, guys. I just won't do it. Yep. I will rip if we get it move back to low day. I'll try shorts. I'm open to a break and a retest up. Yeah, I don't chase though. Which I mean, yeah, chasing there, like if I would have chased that move right here, it would have been money. Right? But over time, you try to chase and it takes one or two aggressive moves back up and you get cooked. And these option premiums are juiced. Don't ask me why I'm looking at option premiums. Don't ask me why I'm doing that. You probably won't like the answer. These 0 DTEs are ridiculous. Because I may or may not be ripping a fat option trade if we get my setup. Today has been one of the most frustrating days of my entire trading year, guys. Just so annoying. It literally made me so mad earlier. Hasn't been a horrible day. I just opportunity cost wise. I hit bangers every day. My win rate stays live. I mean, you can go to my YouTube, oh my fudging goodness. Why couldn't we get a pop-up to previous low day? Why? Why you gotta do that? Why do you gotta do that? Why do you gotta do that? Why? 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 Oh, I'm ripping 30 minis if we get to my spot. I'm doing it. $410? I like that area a lot. I mean, I think if you try shorts at like 400, 410, you just keep your stops with like 445. Solid. What? We're not going to give it to us. I don't think we're going to get that. And my worry is that if we do get it, it's going to be some massive candle with higher volume. Then I can't short that either. I like shorts. I like shorts here too. I can't do it. I gotta wait for my setup. Gotta wait for my A plus. I'm frustrated patient. There we go. That's a good way to put it. Passed my first funded thanks to Jdun and Team Bowl. Let's go. I like shorts here. I have no interest in longs, and shorts we're gonna get a low day right here. We're gonna go. We do. I just I can't chase that. I'm going to yoga today, Gene.
Yoga.
I'm going to fucking yoga today, bro. I'm so frustrated, man.
Have to, bro.
Like, very frustrated. Which is fine. I'm chilling. I'm just frustrated. I just want to attest to previous. I'm not even stressing. Stress isn't the right word. I'm just frustrated. Just annoyed. Just genuinely just annoyed, which, you know, is part of being freaking human. Just annoyed. See, it's you know what success is in trading. It's the ability to be annoyed and frustrated and not do stupid shit. I really truly believe that. I truly believe that success in trading boils down to the ability to be annoyed and to not do dumb stuff. Like, you can be annoyed. I guess you're seeing that I'm human too. You know, I'm not going to sit here and do stupid shit. I'm going to stay patient and wait, even though it's annoying. Right? Like, put that quote on a shirt. Dead ass, dude. Like, you know, if you can be annoyed and not blow yourself up, you're probably going to be all right long term. Can we just please get a test to previous low a day? Please. At least give me something I can try. Is it guaranteed? No. But would I love to see a test up to the zone to at least try shorts with stops above here? I'd love that. I just honestly, I don't know if they're going to give us anything above this. I'm honestly not sure. You got to think about it. You need buyers to step in. I don't think we have enough aggressive buyers to push us up to here. But I'm not willing to try shorts right here with stops right here, only for it to rip up and stop me out where my main entry would be. So I'd rather miss it. I'd rather miss that setup than take it early and get smoked. Well, if you guys would like to help with opportunity cost emotional damage, there's lots of good prop firm sales going on today that I would love for you to use code Jdun on and use some DOD. My goodness. Right now, Alpha Futures is 20% off. They're the closest to Top Step. So if you've been looking for a prop firm, if you like Top Step, you'll love Alpha Futures. Use code Jdun. Go take some money from the prop firms. That would make me happy. That'd make me very happy. Go milk these firms. Gosh, just moving down further. I just can't chase it. Today was a great trading day for as far as price action. I sold my equity in it, Smile. Price action was great today. Honestly, I just personally didn't execute well. Price action was great, though. You won't hear me saying it was bad. I love this price action. Yep. Apex did extend their sale. 70% off and $40 PAs. I have a trade if I cup account. I'm up $1,000 in it. I just haven't really put much attention to it. No resets. Didn't use any resets. Just kind of traded it little pieces. Pop up, die. Pop up, die. Well, I hope you guys have at least learned a good lesson here in watching me frustrated, that you can be frustrated and you can be, I'm not even going to call it angry, but annoyed. You don't have to make stupid decisions. If you're going to simply just wait and kind of like come to and just be patient, typically you'll level out and then you'll just wait for the next good setup. Like, we'll see these setups happen over and over again. That's why I'm not tripping. You know, I don't so much care about day-to-day results. I care about year-to-date results. I care about long-term results and longevity. That's what matters to me long-term. And could I short right now and make money? Probably. Like, almost certainly. But would it be with my system? No. And would I be setting myself up for bad habits in the future? Totally. Like, we're going lower. That's just what's happening. We're going to hit low day right now. It's just going to happen. But I'm not going to short it because it would be against my system. You can see it in volume. You can see it in how price is moving. We just touched low day. We didn't quite make it. No, when it's low day, don't take it long. You wait for confirmation to go against the trend. Yep, we're hitting low day. I mean, we're here, but we're gonna go sub 300 likely. I don't even think we're gonna get that retest to previous low day, that 400. I don't think they're gonna give it to us today. And the problem is, if we do, we'll probably bottom out prior. That's the issue. Woosa, woosa. I'm using my mind powers. All I wanted was to test a previous low day. That's it. That's it. That's all. Wasn't asking for the world. Just don't let it nuke. Let it nuke up to our spot and then let it die. I got 30 more minutes. I'm sitting on the screen for 30 more minutes. Because guess what? I have the discipline to sit here frustrated and not trade. Unless we get an A+ setup, then I will trade. But I have the discipline to sit here and watch and be in control of my trigger finger. Honestly, today was just frustrating. I literally was about to call out that short entry again, and I couldn't because someone else on the trading team went long, and I don't fade. It's a rule we have. So you like to watch, Mr. Jdun, one of those. I'm one of the people that sits back and watches and doesn't force trades all day. Yeah, that is me. That's why I've made $4 million doing this. I am a watcher for sure. What? I'm a trading Tom. It's like a peeping Tom, but trading Tom. I like to watch the market, spy on it. I need another trade to get another $50,000 on Apex. Yeah, that's why I didn't do it, Stock Boy. Like when I saw this trade up here, this close right at pre-market low. This is a textbook setup that I would typically short this again. I just couldn't because it confuses members when there's two different admins in different positions, so I couldn't. And that's what really annoyed me. All right, let's see if we get this pop back up. Yep, the ability to sit back and not make irrational decisions when you're frustrated. That's discipline.
for shorts? 20 tail?
If we pop up, it's a ways away. So if you got something down here, your deal, I'm like 400, 410. I'm looking for shorts still, but I'm not taking anything down here.
That's what I'm looking to.
Um, If you are trading with Take Profit Trader, you can use code TBT for Team Bull Trading. TBT gets you 40% off, no activation fee. I don't really promote it much, but there is we do have a code. Am I self-taught? Yes and no. I have lots of mentors. I think having a mentor is one of the best things you can do. But I also have learned a lot just from trial and error and years of experience. So if you guys are on the TikTok, make sure you check out the YouTube. Jdun Trades. You get full screen share. And if you guys want access to Team Bull tomorrow, you get all of our premium benefits for free. DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free Discord. I'll get you access. You're hopefully seeing me frustrated, someone who is very, very disciplined in every aspect of life and not go on tilt and not take a bunch of stupid trades. Hopefully that taught you something. It was a frustrating day for me for sure, but I like to find positives in every negative. So hopefully you guys got a lesson that even if you're frustrated, even if you are not happy with how things went, you can stay patient and you can stay in control of your trading. You almost unfollowed me because I'm human. I'd rather be real with you than give you some fake BS, right? See, that's a tough candle to short right there. We'll see if we get back up here. I'm still open to it, but I'm not going to force it. Like 410 area. I'll watch with stops below like 445. I'd like to see a push back up into like 400, 410 for any sort of potential short entry. I sure did. Feeling the same way. I'm glad I'm able to sit on my hands these days. Thank you for always talking us through things like that. That's awesome, Alec. I'd like to see us test up. Again, I'm not taking any trades until if we hit that 410 to 420. I'm open to shorts. Till then, I don't have any interest. We might reject earlier, and that's okay with me. At this point, I'm just, we'll get back at it tomorrow. If you guys appreciate DOD, as a reminder, every time you're trading with these prop firms, whether you're trading, hey, you got your Team Bull shirt in the mail. That's what's up, Luis. Let's go. Every time you're trading with these prop firms, you can use code Jdun. I want it to resemble discipline over dopamine. You don't have to make stupid decisions when you're not feeling the best. If you want to buy Team Bull merch, it's on the website. Go to the YouTube. Go to my YouTube live. I'm live there right now, too. The link's in the description. I appreciate you supporting. Get yourself a nice Team Bull shirt, baby. It's all I wear every day. Yep. Just go to your YouTube and type in JDUN Trades. Jdun Trades. I'm live there every day. It's in the YouTube description below, as well as all the partner firms. You can choose between one of those firms to trade with if you want to trade with me every day. So those really struck. Yeah. Be going nuts. We might get a reversal candle here. 370. Oh, sure. Yeah, you can pick it up in person for sure. Why do you keep asking about Snapchat? You gotta stop spamming. I'm gonna have to mute you, bro. Wait, no. I didn't mean to. There we go. I made lots of money with you the last 3 months. Your risk management is great. That means a lot, bro. I think we're gonna go lower here, guys. I was actually willing, once we saw this 5-minute close with higher volume, right here, is willing to look. Once we saw this 5-minute close here with higher volume, I was willing to look for a short, and here I still am not convinced there's enough risk reward to do it. Appreciate you, bro. I appreciate y'all hitting that follow button on TikTok. I trade live every day. Win, lose, or draw, you guys see the real me. You guys know that I'll never sugarcoat shit. I don't sit here and say things to please all of you guys. I say how I am and who I am, and that's just what I am. Love it or hate it. That's one thing about me is you'll never get me being fake to make you happy. Do I know the trading champ? Yeah, he's a friend of mine. He's cool. And go to my YouTube live, Drew. Go to the live stream on Jdun Trades. Go to my active live stream. You'll hear me speaking. I'm live on YouTube and TikTok, both. I'm also live in Team Bull. Ever since trading DOD style, I've gone from blowing many 50K evals to now $400 away from passing, and it feels like it's inevitable I'll pass and start making some real cash. That's awesome, bro. I'm making that a pinned message. That's awesome. I'm making that a pinned message. Danny's just doing his thing. Hope he's doing well. Here's the merch link. I just posted it in chat. DOD is discipline over dopamine. I would like to pick up some knowledge of future trading when normals are expected to take into your plan. Let's go. Jdun passed 2 evaluations today on 3 to 5 micros. Took 3 days DOD. Let's go. That's what y'all got to understand too, is that when I see y'all winning, like, I hope each one of you guys made money today. Like, you won't, like, people have been like, sorry, Jdun, to tell you, but I made money. I'm like, good. I hope you took and held those shorts and made money. Like, it's not a competition for me. Why? In a game where that is so hard and that my main objective is to help everyone else win, why would I be jealous that you made money? Like, I don't get jealous of people winning. I clap for others. I had been that jealous person 10 plus years ago who saw others winning and was envious and felt entitled, and now I look at it and I'm like, it's the mindset my kind has. Why are you in my live stream, bro? If you don't like me, why are you in my stream? I'll never understand. But you obviously clearly like something because you're here and you're watching me, and I'm taking up your time in your day. So God bless you. You'll learn something and I'll help you make money. But anywho, I like seeing other people win. You know, I look at it as I clap for others, and eventually my time would come, and it did. What does DOD stand for? Discipline over dopamine, baby. DOD. Not really, Dino. I mean, like, we would have to have so much volume and so much buying power to move NQ. Like, if we were trading some low float penny stocks, like, yeah. If I was like, hey guys, I'm in, and we had 10,000 people go buy, it would move up or down, but you can't do that with any large caps. Now, if we were trading some low float penny stocks or OTCs, I mean, it would move for sure. I mean, I would never do that. So, do you guys understand how much money I turned down during all the meme coins and stuff to promote garbage? Millions, over $1 million. Because I didn't want to ruin my reputation. Like, $1 million isn't worth my reputation. Honestly, even 10 million isn't. Like, I like the fact that I go out in public, and every time I've been recognized, knock on wood, God bless, like, I've met over 1,000 of you guys, and it's always so positive. Like, I love meeting people, and, say, Jdun, you changed my life. Discipline over dopamine really helped me. Your trading education has helped me. I just became profitable. You name it, I've heard it, and it feels really good. I like that. I mean, losers focus on winners, though, Captain. Winners focus on winning. Jealousy's an ugly thing, Jealousy's an ugly trait. But I'll tell you one thing. Hate never comes from above. I'll tell you all that much. Hate never comes from above. I will tell you guys that loud and clear, that hate never comes from above. Who's calling me? Who thinks they can call me during trading hours? Dun, 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 dun. Go fix more cars, Mr. Mechanic Blue Collar. I mean, if you're talking to me, I do come from blue collar background. Oh. Yeah, I mean, you're for sure blue collar. You know how to do everything.
Blue collar and white collar.
I was working commercial sheet metal. And honestly, I used to hate it, but I look back and it shaped me to who I am. I went from working commercial sheet metal, making like 17 an hour or something, to making thousands of dollars a day. So I'm blessed for sure. And you know, if you're working and liking, you know, based on your views, 22 never worked a job, I don't doubt it. I don't doubt it, bro. How do you get into trading? I was tired of being broke. I wanted a change in my life. Nice. Someone has ordered some merch. Let's go. You will be where I am. I hope you surpass me, Eric. Hey, it was Drew that ordered. Let's go. I don't think we're going to get my pop-up to where I wanted to see. I got about 10 more minutes of streaming, maybe a little longer. Well, maybe I'll go a little longer today. I have a meeting at 11:30, so I can't go to the gym prior. I'm going to have to go to the gym after my meeting. Are you up today? No. Do I have any mentors? Yeah, one of my biggest mentors was Umar Ashraf. He's a good friend of mine and someone who inspired and I learned a lot of my trading from, at least early on. Thanks, Jdun. You made me the trader I am. Made 3 racks today on 3 trades. It's awesome. How y'all doing, Team Bull? You guys still hanging and banging? Anyone here try Vanquish, the new options prop firm? You guys got to let me know what you think. Honest thoughts. I can always give them feedback too. They got a real close-knit team. If you guys haven't tried the options prop firm yet, it's in the Vanquish options section. You can use code JDUN for 50% off. If you trade options or stocks. And it's cool. You can get payouts on day one of your funded. Like you can literally get paid out on day one, which is dope. Same day payouts, which I think is pretty cool. Feel like I can't live after missing these shorts. Backup, I feel it. I'm curious. Let's take a roll call. Who feels like they can't breathe or live after missing this move down?
Me.
Gene. No, but seriously, I'm being dead ass serious. How many of y'all are really feeling a lot of FOMO right now?
You wanna know something crazy? I sold.
Anyone here? It's okay if you are. I mean, you saw me earlier. I was frustrated too. But what I want you to understand is that with the setups we saw today, right, with the price action we saw, do you know how many more days we're going to have in the next year, 2 years of this setup? A lot. Now, if you find yourself chasing down here and chasing these moves and trading out of frustration, you're going to lose money, lose confidence, and it's going to set a bad standard for you going forward. And instead, guys, I want you to focus on waiting for the next A+ setup. And if you're feeling good, that's great. You didn't lose. You stuck to this one. You did lose. You stuck to this one. That's great. I don't want you chasing because chasing leads to bad habits long term. We will get these setups again, guys. We will bank on these setups in the future, but not if you blow it in the meantime. You guys have seen the stats that 95% of people fail trading. Well, do you know why that is? Because 95% of people can't maintain their emotions and not do stupid shit when they're frustrated. Like me years ago, when I first started trading, when I had the same frustration level that I had an hour ago versus, years ago, I would have for sure been ripping trades and trading out of frustration and chasing and doing dumb stuff. Like you can be frustrated. You're not going to ever not be frustrated, right? Like you're a human. But what you have to understand is you don't have to act on those emotions. You can be mindful of them and look at your emotions from a third party perspective and not make stupid trades on them. Oh, trust me, I tried the breakout trade in the orb. I did. I tried I did try it and I got stopped and then I was ready to take another trade and it just didn't unfortunately work out. I didn't want to fade in chat, so. Did you take therapy overcoming frustration after entering losing trades? Honestly, my therapy, I mean, I'm a big proponent of dealing with your issues and turning pain into purpose. But a lot of my therapy was just getting wrecked on trades and learning from that pain and not letting it happen again. When you do that and you consistently learn from your mistakes, that's when growth comes in trading. Thanks to Team Bull, they brought me back from negative 1,200 to profit on my eval. Let's go. As a reminder, guys, too, Apex just extended their 70% off sale. So if you've been looking to get funded with $40 activation fee, the all-in cost to being a 50K funded trader with Apex is $106, of which that only ends up being the full cost if you pass the eval and activate, which is insane for a 50K account. You can trade up to 20 at a time. That's who paid me $50,000. I like the 50K trade of 8s. personally. If you use code Jdun, you'll get 70% off, payout protection, and you'll get $40 activation fee. I'd love to retest that low up there. I'm still waiting. Thanks to Team Bull. Caught a 151% trade earlier. Nice. Let's go. I'm not in a trade. Nope. Where did the name Team Bull come from? It honestly just came to me like I wanted to build something that was team-based. And mind you, I never planned to be a guru. You guys got to understand that. If you haven't heard how I got started, I was trading and learning how to trade to make money. That's what makes me a lot different than a lot of these gurus nowadays. I was learning to trade to make money trading. I was making good money trading. My friends asked me if I could teach them, so I started teaching a few of my friends for free. They're like, Jdun, you're pretty good at this. You should make some social media. And mind you, I'm an introvert. Like I don't, I know you guys have seen my videos and I've been blessed to build a following and help a lot of people, but like I'm an introvert at heart. Like I don't be going out. Ask Gene how hard it is to get me out of the house. How hard is it, Gene? Do I come out of the house? No. Never. Almost never. Like I learned to trade so I could not have to leave if I didn't want to. You feel me? I wanted freedom. So I started teaching my friends and they're like, bro, you should make some videos on this. You should make a TikTok account and make some videos. And so I was like, sure, whatever, I'll do it. That's fine. And so I made a few videos and after a while they just kind of started blowing up. I don't really know why. I guess people liked what I was saying and it was helping people. And so then was born Mile High Trading, which eventually turned to Team Bull Trading. And here we are now, all trading together, which is cool, Introvert, you seem very social. And that I think the better term is, what is it? Is it ambivert? Said, probably why I like your lives. Introverts don't use filler and salesy talk. And honestly, I don't like, I genuinely don't like, obviously I appreciate when you guys support the business and, use code Team Bull or use code Jdun and stuff. Like I don't, like 98% of my lives is just true free game. Most people don't even know I have a damn mentorship because I don't talk about it. I don't say, hey guys, I won this trade. Go buy my course to figure out the strategy. I'm like, go watch my free course on YouTube. I appreciate you just coming in and hanging out and supporting Team Bull with these lives. If you guys really want to support, I appreciate you going to get a Team Bull shirt. They're $25. We ship it all in-house. It's not even about the money. I just like having you guys rep Team Bull. We got shorts. We got sweatshirts for the winter. We got shirts, which is pretty cool. And if you order today, Gene will get you one shipped out. I'm sorry about the fire, bro. Which funded account should I get? It depends. If you're looking for oh, that link works. Let me post it again. Oh, it works. I just tested it. It's probably your browser, bro. Oh, no, you don't understand, Destiny. I really am an introvert. I just, getting on stream and hanging out with y'all, it brings out a little more talking because you can't, if you're going to stream and have fun, like you can't just sit there and be silent. That's no fun. If you guys do have questions on prop firms, on trading, on mentorship, or if you just genuinely want access to Free Friday tomorrow, you can DM me on Instagram. Jdun Trades. If you go to your Instagram app and type in Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades, same as my name, you'll see my account. It's the only place I answer DMs, guys. I'll never DM you anywhere else. Please don't get scammed. What was the options prop firm? The options prop firm that I partnered with is Vanquish. You can get up to 150K in funding. You can get payouts on day one of funded. It's pretty cool. If you trade options or stocks, I recommend giving them a test. Can't believe I hit 18 months of no alcohol yesterday. It felt really good. And then today is all testing me. It's like, Jdun. I had my first tilt experience. I just used your code. Come on, man. Well, now that you used code Jdun on your next prop firm account, I'm trying to save you from getting in the cycle of blowing accounts over and over. I tell people this all the time, even though I am an affiliate with some firms and I genuinely appreciate your guys' support. I don't want you guys trading on prop firms forever. I don't want you guys using code Jdun forever. I want you guys focusing on getting valuable experience, building confidence, getting payouts, and moving your trading to a live account. And you probably have never heard an affiliate say that because they want you to keep churning and burning accounts because when you use their code, they get paid. But I want you to build a successful future for yourself and build genuine confidence and be on the right path for the next, 1 to 2 years, for the next 3 to 4 years. So prop firms are a great tool. You can use them and you can do well with them, but they're not the end goal. And that's what you guys must understand, Team Bull. Yep, new low day. We're still moving down. I don't know. My frustration's gone now, though. I can't. There's no entries I could take in here. I wanted to see my move up into here, didn't get it, so just wait. Could we still get a good trade? For sure. I'm just hanging out for a bit longer. Honestly, I can't go to the gym this morning. I have a meeting at 11:30. Don't. Don't. Refined. Refined. All right, let's see if they give us anything else today. I'm not interested currently. This candle has a lot of volume. Do I ever hire in Team Bull? It depends. We usually just go in-house. That's awesome, Nigel. That's amazing, bro. So I tell people to do every day. Literally every day I tell people to do that. TikTok, I'm curious. There's about 500 people left here. YouTube, we got about 500 people too. How many of you guys, this is your first day hanging out with me? Or first time seeing me on the algorithm? YouTube's probably not many. It doesn't show a lot of new people on YouTube. But if it's your first day, welcome. I'm sorry I couldn't give you guys a huge banger. My bias was right, but I'm glad that you got to... yeah, Dino, you kill it every day in chat, bro. I love seeing you. I recognize a lot of your names that are here every day. Like, obviously, we got thousands of people in here. We've had 18,000 people come and go today so far, just in the TikTok. Probably like 3,000 or so on YouTube. But I try to, people that talk a lot in chat, I always try to remember your names. And you guys aren't just people on a screen. Like, you know, you're people that you want to change your life with trading. You guys want to build confidence. You want to better your life. And I respect that. So I appreciate y'all being a part of the team. If it's your first day here, welcome. I appreciate you trusting me with your education, hitting that follow button. The 3-hour masterclass you posted on YouTube was a game changer for me. That means a lot, Kane. If you guys haven't watched my 3-hour free course, I highly recommend you check it out. It's in the description of my YouTube Live. It's the second link down if you click on the description down there. It's on YouTube, Jdun Trades. If you just go to your YouTube app and type in Jdun Trades, you'll find it. Yep, I'm glad you guys have gotten a lot of value from it. I'm actually going to be hosting... another webinar, likely in, like, at the end of the month. You guys loved the first webinar. How many of you guys want another 1 to 2 day masterclass on VPA and risk management? Do we need to run back DOD 2.0 webinar? You guys know when you put in a few hours of time into a Jdun webinar, you're getting value. You guys know that, that's for sure. Dun, dun, dun. Been watching you in the shadows for almost a year, learning as much information as I can. Thanks to you. It's my first month green so far. More confidence and discipline than ever. That's amazing. Let's go. Just caught my Team Bull hoodie. It's so fire. Let's go, baby. Appreciate you supporting. Means the world. Eugene, could you go unfreeze some turkey, please? Thank you, sir. I'll just put it in the sink. Guess what's for lunch today, guys? Not just turkey. We got on the menu for lunch today, we got turkey heart, turkey liver, and turkey meat, baby. It's actually really good. You would never know the difference. You would never know. I promise you, you would never know. And I did something. This is kind of terrible. So my mom and a little brother who's 12 and grandma were here last weekend. They're not giving any sort of pullbacks. Not to get off topic, like even for this, for example, what's the high? This 300, 304. Like they're not giving any sort of pullbacks. How I like to trade with that 30-point risk. Like I would have liked to see this pop up to 280, stops above like 303. Just no legit deep pullbacks today. It's just been straight move down. I mean, the one to the 50% was decent, but I didn't love this candle right here. And then obviously that first trade that wicked me out and then I couldn't enter again. This is a setup I take over and over again. But yeah, when my mom and brother were here, I told them I was making them ground beef. I was like, all right, guys, I'm making everyone Jdun bowls for lunch. And I made them. It was a mix of ground beef, ground liver, the beef liver and beef heart. And I gave it all to them. I'm like, how do you guys like the ground beef? I'm like, oh, this is really good. I was like, oh, well, you just ate heart, liver, and meat, so hope you enjoyed it. And they liked it, and so would you. If I fed you turkey liver, turkey heart, and beef all mixed up, I promise you, you would literally have no idea. Yeah, Gene, it's good, right? Gene won't eat. Gene, don't get it twisted though. Gene personally won't eat my pure liver. I've tried to get him to. He gags.
I'll eat lengua. I'll eat anything else.
Lengua, some tongue. Heart is diabolical. I actually think liver tastes worse than heart does. $40. Let's see here. When is the next Bless a Server video coming out? I love that Hope Core stuff. That means a lot. I did another one recently. It'll come out Saturday. If I keep trading like I did today, I'm not going to be able to do them anymore. No, I'm playing. Actually, I'm actually happy with how my bias was today and my read. I just, like, literally, I was so close to calling out that second entry. I just couldn't fade. So that was annoying. Got to go to Japan and try raw liver and heart. Yeah, Japan has some of the best meat. I actually like a lot about Japan's culture. You guys know the word retire doesn't exist in Japanese culture? I genuinely believe that when people truly retire and like they stop working towards something bigger than themselves, that's when the death clock starts. There's just no deep pullbacks today. Besides earlier, just straight selling. Let's see if I have that book that I liked a long time ago. know where I put it. Oh. All right. Team Bull, final roll call. I'm going to start looking at DMs and getting people admitted for trading tomorrow in person. Brandon won't be there, will he? Gene?
No.
Because his mom's in town? Yeah. Are you?
Jen's coming after she jumps her. The carpet guy should be here in like 2 minutes.
Let's see here. Would you like to confirm your spot? Doing all the DMs right now, Team Bull. So if you are wanting to trade live with me in person in Colorado tomorrow at the office, DM me here on Discord. Market's dying, which is good. We needed this pullback. We needed this pullback. It's a good thing. Okay, we got that. Gene, I'm texting you the list of people getting in for tomorrow. What do you say?
I said I'm a comedian.
You're funny, bro. Okay, I'm texting you this list. Got them.
Okay, here we go.
You ready to work out? Okay, there we go. That. Let's see. We might finally get that pull back up. I mean, I'm likely done for the morning. We'll see how price ends up looking. If I were to be looking for shorts, though, on a hypothetical, this would be the area I'd look for here with stops above like 305. That's exactly what I'd look for. What'd gold do today? Significantly? Oh. Woo! Yep, we got the live trading happening tomorrow. Textbook retest up there. If you guys ended up taking that, if you guys took that retest up there, what we talked about. Maybe if you guys did take that, be sure you've trimmed or you've at least set your stops near like break even ish. Damn, that was it right there. That was it right there. That was it right there. Damn, that's crazy. That was the one right there. That was the setup. Some people took it, which is cool. I didn't transparently call it out, but had some people take it, which is dope. Feeling strong. Carpet guy?
Nope.
It's just one room, I think.
Yep. The retest back up was crazy. Probably should have taken that, but whatever. Any bounce levels? No. I mean, not personally, not until we see some sort of confirmation. My dogs are tripping. Yeah, just any spots. Yep. Again, I mean, it depends on price. If it's not too much more, they can just clean the carpet, but there's some spots for sure. Oh, cool.
Whoa.
Yeah, rip her up. Less volume though. I have two little Alaskan cleat guys. They're little pure, like basically purebred mini huskies, but the Alaskans, that's what I call them. little dogs. We just touched that gap fill on QQQ. This could be a spot where we bounce. We'll see. Definitely could be a spot where we bounce for sure. There shouldn't be an insane echo. Apex is 70% off again, guys, with $40 activation fees. If you're trading with Apex or if you're looking to become a funded futures trader, make sure to check out apextraderfunding.com and use code Jdun for 70% off and payout protection. If you're trading options or stocks, we just partnered with Vanquish as well. You can get payouts on day one, which is pretty sweet. Yep, any funded accounts with options trading. Yep, if you want to trade options, you can use Vanquish. Use code JDUN. There's no prop that's easy, but simple. I mean, Tradeify is cool. Alpha Futures is pretty simple too. Get your next payout yet, Gene?
No, they processed them today.
I got it. Gene,
I know that it's approved.
how much did you request? 4? Gene with another $4,000 payout.
3.5 next week.
It's awesome. Bro's balling. 10K month in payouts at 23 years old. Me and Gene the payout machine. Mean Gene, the payout machine. See what did Tesla end up doing today? Dying. How do we react to our key levels? The orb worked out nicely on Tesla today. Damn. To a T. Hello there, handsome sir. Hello there. How is it going, mate? How goes it, my friend? Are we going long? No. I'm not going long. Dude, why do you keep calling me? Who is this? Hello? Nope. Foul opinion. I don't care what it's worth. Dude. When I die, I die. Account type. Let's see here. Damn, we can't catch a bid today. Market can't catch a bid today. What's the red line? Current price. We're still moving on up. We'll see. Wait for confirmation. Yeah, I'm gonna mob off here decently soon. I have. I just honestly, 5 minute doesn't give me enough data to work with. That extra 10 minutes using the 15-minute orb works better for me. We'll see if we break structure with volume. We can maybe look for a long setup. Like if this candle closes strong with volume, and we break through here, you could potentially look for an upside movement. But we also have the Supreme Court ruling on tariffs too. So that could be a big deal. Oh, here we go. I just added you green eyes. I wasn't looking at the Zoom. What do we think about gold? I think gold's solid to trade. I think it's super solid. Let's go, Tyler. Don't. Is Gene, can you check on the turkey, see if it's ready? He's there, Gene. Oh, he's not in here. You guys like when I stick around this long? It's the longest I've traded in a while. I just happened to have a meeting at 11:30, so I didn't want to leave the house. You guys like when I hang with y'all for a while? Some of y'all been on the whole time. Y'all are crazy. If you're new here, make sure you tap it and hit that follow button. If you're on TikTok, I trade live every single day. Make it a part of your daily routine. Just tap in, join on TikTok, then eventually, hopefully, you make your way into Inside Team Bull or onto YouTube. The YouTube is Jdun Trades. You get full screen share, and it's a bit more focused, for say, with you getting to see all my levels. We're just hanging. We'll see if maybe we end up getting a reversal candle right here, we can short with the trend. If we fail this, if we get this higher, or this closer, this higher volume close right here, we get to potentially look for a pop up and stops above this high. Not sure they're going to give it to us, but it's definitely possible. See, now they won't give us a pop-up. It's so annoying. Give us a pop-up. What's the high here? 310? Call it 300. 70 to 80, I'm open for shorts. I refuse to chase this. It's going to do the same shit it's done all day. Good, bro. Trying to catch a short entry here. It's been not my best execution day. Maybe I can catch a short on this pop up. We can change that though. What about you?
Yeah, it was way back up there. I don't even know where it was. I think 416 or something. We got a 60 point long and then a reject for another 50 point. So it's 2 back-to-back straight with Brandon and then Zoom. It seems to go.
Nice.
Some of these pandas are definitely.
Dude, come on, Price, move up. Sorry, Green Eyes. This give us a pop up. Come on. This has just been like this all day, bro. It's just the trend is almost too strong. Like I've been wanting to see a pop up with 30, 40 points of risk. I'll even settle for 50 points of risk with less size on right now. It's just not giving any pullbacks. Literally. Oh, here we go. Come on. Come on, give me an A+ setup. Give it to me, baby. What are you looking for, Green Eyes? Are you in the long or short train? That's my only worry, too, with any shorts, is that daily gap was filled.
Yeah, I have the bias to the downside, but we are at a daily gap already, so it feels like we just going to jump into trade before, unless you're scalping it with a single style.
That's why I wanted to see that pop up. I refuse to short this to the downside without any sort of pop up.
The optimum play, the smart play would be let it consolidate for a while, do a breakup and retest, and then join the trade.
Yep.
That's probably at least a half an hour away.
Let's see if they give us it here. I hate that daily gap. I'm with you, bro.
Anyone that's trying to trade on the 5 or 30-minute time frame right now, you're gonna get lost in the shadow. You have to zoom out for 4 hours a daily, get a bigger picture, and see what's actually happening here. Play it smart, play it safe.
I'm with you, my boy.
I think if you're looking to go short, the great retest would be back up to 295.
I'm kind of watching for that 80 to 92. I'm with you. You don't have as much risk. You only have about 20 points there. Mr. Gene. Where does he keep going? Mr. Gene! He's disappearing. No positions is a position. Yeah, we're going to go with that today. It is true, but we're going to go with that today. Is the turkey good?
No, it's still going.
What?
It's still going.
Really? Is it? Can you check? If we really just went and, like, we just have not all day had any times. Got it. Dude, we're dumping again, bro. I'm getting off this stream. This market's annoying me. I've stuck around and chose DOD long enough today. I've been trading for 3 hours, and it's literally blue balled every entry I've wanted to get. I wanted the 80-90. Personally, didn't get it again. We're dumping. We're at a daily gap fill, so I absolutely refuse to short these lows. So I'm going to go ahead and mob off, but we'll be live and back in action tomorrow from the Team Bull HQ. We'll keep choosing DOD. Trade smart, trades. I mean, I don't have hesitation. I didn't hesitate at all today. I just didn't. I won't over risk. And that's the thing you guys have to understand is I made $4 million plus doing this because I stay patient. I could hesitate less and catch more trades, but guess what? More trades doesn't equal more money. That's what you guys have to understand. You guys have to understand that. You can catch every single trade. You can play it like it's Pokemon. But you're going to end up getting decimated over time versus when you strictly follow your system and you strictly follow your risk. That's what keeps you in the game long term. You'll see a lot of people that post big gains for the next week, month, year, but are they here 3-5 years later? Are the gurus that you were following 5 years ago still trading actively now? Probably effing not. Probably not. So that's my rant for the morning. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, choose discipline over dopamine, rock with Team Bull, and I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning, all right? If you guys aren't already, DM me on Instagram if you like access to Free Friday inside Team Bull tomorrow. Jdun Trades on Instagram. Go there right now, mention that you're from the free live stream, and you'd like access to Free Friday tomorrow morning. I'll get to your DM in the next hour. JDUN Trades on Instagram. I'll go into your DM right now. Jdun Trades on Instagram. Put it in here too. I'll see y'all later. God bless. Thank you for being here. Hit that follow button in the top left corner. Hit that subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace.